Alors, bonjour tout le monde, je me présente, je suis Mélanie Robitaille. Alors, exceptionnellement, aujourd'hui, la vidéo sera en anglais. Alors, pour les personnes qui ne me connaissent pas, je suis naturopathe depuis plus de 26 ans et je travaille avec les informations que Medical Medium Anthony William partage. So I will start in English now. So I'm very pleased, Dr. Fan, to have you as a guest today. So thank you for spending a couple of minutes from your busy schedule with us today.
Thank you for having me here. It's an honor to be on and talk about the information that hopefully will serve everybody.
Yes, exactly. So I want to present you so who you are. So Dr. Fan is a doctor of internal medicine practicing in US. And it's exactly in Spring, a city called Spring, close to Austin in Texas. And he graduated from Texas Tech University Health Science Center, and he completed his residency at University of Texas, Houston. So, and Dr. Fan, I met him, I've heard a couple of times medical medium, say, hey, Dr. Fan is there, hello. Dr. Fan is very well known in the medical medium community, and he's well known for his amazing compassion and practice. So, and I met him through different programs that Muniza Ahmed offered. And he's very funny. He likes to remove the stress in a situation. So I'm very happy to have you here today, Dr. Fan. I'm very honored that you accept this invitation.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Again, anything to help others and bring more information to them, empower people with information that Anthony William gives. And we're trying to marry the medical information, conventional medicine, with the information that Anthony has given. And in the latest year or two, you're seeing more and more medical journals and articles taking his information and backing it up, supporting it. So if you ever get curious, get on Google and write Epstein-Barr virus and multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis. Google those topics, and you'll see a lot of stuff he says are supported by the literature now.
Exactly, exactly. As you said, he written that MS is caused by Epstein-Barr, and now it's well known. It's publicly known by all the science and the doctors.